What's up, guys? Miss Pretty here. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone a little bit. Of course, like I told you guys, we've been having some family issues going on. My husband did have a stroke. Did you see what I sent you? And I also had me some, things going on. So we're just trying to get back to basics. I thought I'd let you guys come with me as we cook a little dinner. Nothing extravagant. We're gonna have some crab legs, some shrimp. That's about it. So I thought I'd let you guys see how I make it. Come along. You can talk, Missy. Are you gonna cut this part out? See, got my batter. I made my own batter, guys. I put my own seasoning in it. So this is something new that I'm trying. Of course, we've got the shrimp here. Get out, Prince. So what I am gonna do, even though I seasoned some of my batter, I'm gonna also do this with my shrimp. Okay, that's better. You guys can see. I like mine with a little spice flavor, so I'm gonna use some Lawry's. Oops. And then two, I'm gonna use a little bit of paprika. Did you see what I sent you? No. The Maurice Anthony Shaver. Oh yeah, something about the Browns thing, I believe. The Browns lost. They made a bet. So like, if the Browns lose, I'll come. And because I don't have buttermilk and I use regular milk, I am gonna put a little bit of butter in my batter. Since I let that get room temperature, so we'll just smash that in there a little bit. So how is everybody doing, guys? While I'm smashing this, I'll talk to you guys a little bit. So how is everybody doing? I haven't been able to be on YouTube too much, like I said, taking care of my husband. He had a stroke and just trying to get back to basics, It's a little hard. And little girl is trying to get ready for picture day. She wants me to help her figure out what she's going to wear, but she already figured it out. Would you like to show the people? It's like this dress. It's there glitter all over it. It's like falling off like every time. Turn around. It's so cute though. But I still want you to. Like 3 shades of blue. Right. Dress that was handed down from her to her from her sister who went to prom in this dress. So sorry. Very cute. So like I said, I put butter in here. Just a little flavor. They did say buttermilk, but like I said, I made my own batter. Little flour. I used a little bit of breadcrumbs. And then as you can see, it's a little dark, so I did put seasoning in there. Oh, can you give me my parsley flakes, Missy? And I like the little parsley flakes in mine. Just be nice. Just for a little bit of, color. Yeah, no. My thing fell, y'all. No, I'm not editing nothing. I'm just gonna cook it. I'm just gonna do it. This is like really raw and authentic. So I'm gonna use a little bit of parsley flakes. And I did put a little bit of garlic in there because I like garlic. It's very healthy for you. Now she wants to saute hers, so I'm gonna let her saute some. So you just need to get you a small skillet. And then I'm gonna stir this, see. That's what I get for trying to show y'all, right? Silly me, silly me. So it went in the thing, that's cool, because I'm gonna just go ahead and scoop those out and put them in there. It ain't gonna really hurt nothing. I just wanted to try to show y'all. And look, here is the finished product. See? I'm about 2 feet. That's good. I'll be back with y'all. Hope you like it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to your girl, because I got more where that's coming from.